Well, welcome back to Channeron. This is kind of a unique situation I'm in. I got a hole in the roof, or a tree coming down through the roof itself, and we had a little windstorm here, and I've got to fix it. So I'm going to try to go through this relatively quick on what I'm going to do. Basically, I'm just going to try to patch it, and that's what we got to deal with right up there. And it was the top of this tree right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assess it real quick and try to get this done before the sun sets, and try to show you how to patch a hole in the roof relatively quick. So let's go ahead and get started. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to probably rely on that line right there, use that as my squaring, and I may come up and cut across here and square it off right in here. Okay, there it is, all set. The only thing I'm going to have to do is get some roofing tar to put up underneath here, because I don't think the sun's going to be out long enough to bake that down. This late in the year, that's kind of one of the problems with the shingles. Generally, you get the whole summer to bake them in. The 3 tabs are a little bit easier than the architectural to patch in, but I'm happy with it. This is just one of many ways I'm sure that you're going to see online to patch the roof, but I had to get this done. This was a last minute thing, and I'm kind of glad I did it, and I'm also kind of glad that I showed it off as well. Well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and hopefully I won't be doing this again.